So on a Mac, Homebrew is something that you need, and the way to install it is just copy this, go to your terminal, paste it in, and it will try to ask you for the password because it needs to install Homebrew as a root user. And yeah, it will install these things. It could take a while. I'll let it do its thing and then come back to it once it's done. Saying that it could not run this command because it does not exist, and it asked me to run this instead, and that's what I would do. Okay, so there is no brew. I can't run it. It's using this location for brew. Maybe I can use it. Yes, I can. So let me try to run this using the brew location that is used here and see if it can be fixed. Okay, so this was fixed, and now I should continue running this update that it ran. Command is that it has a quiet flag, and that means, I guess, it also suppresses errors and warnings. So I would try to run it without this quiet flag and see if it complains about something. Okay, it says it's already up to date, but it doesn't install it. So what could have happened? That it has brew at this path, but it's not mapped to this command, so it's not added to the path variables in my terminal. So I'll just go to run it again and see if there are some things that could have been missed in this install script. Installation was successful, and what it tells me as the next steps is to do these or run these commands so that it can add Homebrew to my path. And I'm going to run that one at a time. So I've added this to the profile, probably add this as well to the Z profile, and now this one. So with that, I hope I have the brew command. Yes, I have. So the brew command is mapped. I can use it to install any of these Homebrew packages on my macOS system.